Cavs, Jordan Agustin.
While we've been sitting here, we've been slightly getting showered by these little bits of corroding rebar. Let's see if I can show you. Here on the roof, let's see, there you go. The rebar is rusting and slowly breaking up. Fingers crossed that the roof doesn't decide to cave in while we're here. Well, that's the video. Bull has been released. I'm not sure about the tactic of chasing the bull. He's only going to want to run further and faster. Missed the first attempt. Oh, there we go. Walk up slowly. Oh, he gets it. Nice laughter. Oh.
Ano, bakit masaswerte ngayon ang players na rin? Bakit? Dahil doon sa sayaw na Rodeo Line Dance.
Meron silang na-inspire.
Yung sumayaw, yan.
Nakapag-warm up.
Warm up.
Iba talaga pag nag-warm up.
Tingnan niyo mga kaibigan kung paano tinatalian ng mabuti. Dahil after 10 seconds, pagkatapos, kailangan hindi po makatayo ang baka. Kapag nakatayo ang baka, madi-disqualified ang player.
He's finished. That was quick.
Bibilangin 10 seconds at titingnan natin what's the verdict. Let's